Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Our first alert weather day continues with this very wild April weather. We've got that tornado watch continuing until 7 o'clock, so about another 45 minutes to go here. Although the atmosphere is a little bit more stable, still can't rule out an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm capable of a tornado. And speaking of tornadoes, one report has come in. An official report from a law enforcement officer that reported a brief touchdown just north of Dickey, southeast of the Montpelier region, but it remained as a funnel for quite a while before actually touching the ground. So that's the one report we've received so far today, but it has been busy across the entire region. We're seeing some sunshine now in the Southern Valley, but heavy rain and storms continue to lift up into the Northern Valley. We've got snow, freezing rain, blizzard conditions off into the Western Dakotas and Montana. Here's a little closer look at the Northern Valley with some of these regions of some heavy rain. Thompson area, where our very own Alex Larson is out talking about sandbagging because the flooding is so bad. Brace yourselves, there's another batch of heavy rain headed right towards your way. I really wish I had better news for you, but we're continuing to deal with these pockets of very heavy rain leading to overland flooding and rising river levels. We're currently at 68 degrees right now in Fargo. Notice how much cooler we are up to the north. 41 in Hallock, 36 out in Devil's Lake, 36 in Langdon as well. Meanwhile, 72 in Wadena, 70 in Fergus Falls. This is right where the warm front has been, and there's a cold front that extends down to the south. So right within this region is where we've had those thunderstorms developing for today. Let's walk you through your hour by hour now. These areas of showers and storms will continue to lift to the north. Can't rule out an isolated strong one still yet tonight, but now our focus begins that transition to snow, from rain to snow. Here we are just after midnight, and where temperatures are still warmer, we'll still be dealing with some areas of rain. Winds out of the south will be switching more northwesterly, and as the low pressure continues to slide to the east, we're going to see that transition to some snow. This is by 8:50 tomorrow morning. Temperatures drastically colder, especially in the south. We're going from the 70s to the 30s, and temperatures tomorrow will be steady and falling. So steady to falling temperatures through the day with some gusty winds. Can't rule out brief whiteout conditions with that falling snow. So very, very different story between today and tomorrow. And you can see a few flurries continuing into Monday morning. Here's the expected snowfall. Not looking like a ton across the valley, but this bullseye here between Devil's Lake and Jamestown up towards Grand Forks could see 1 to 3, if not 4 inches of snow. Let's talk about the moisture, though. Now through tomorrow night, some areas in the Northern Valley could see an additional 1 to 2 inches of moisture. That includes rain and snow. Windy tomorrow, temperatures in the 20s and 30s. Now let's take a look at your 7-day planner. We're going to be dealing with inconvenient weather. Tomorrow is not a first alert weather day. Forgot to change that. That is my mistake, but we will see that change over to snow. Breezy conditions last for a few days. We are looking to warm up a little bit by Wednesday at 50 degrees, 57 by Thursday, and then another unsettled pattern is looking to set up as we head into the weekend. 54 degrees on Friday, looking like some rain developing late in the day, turning to some wintry mix with colder temperatures by Saturday. Stay with us. We got more news coming up for you right after this break.